Hey, you guys, we have a package today, okay? I got this off the TikTok shop. So, guys, this is my nose ring right now that I am wearing. I'm about to take this one out, and we about to put this one in, but I'm about to open this up, okay? I'm super, super excited because ever since I got my nose pierced, I've been addicted to my nose rings and trying out different nose rings, and so we about to see what's in here. Well, I know what's in here. I'm about to show y'all what's in here. I got my little scissors, so we about to cut this open and unbox it together. Okay, so this body jewelry is from Body Mark, okay? Ooh, okay. So we are about to try this on, and it is cute. Look how it comes. They give you like a little sticker. Let me show y'all what the sticker looking like. They give you a sticker that says Body Mark Body Jewelry. Okay, it's iridescent, popping with all the colors. Okay. And now, here is my nose ring. Let me pop this one out, and we're going to pop this bad boy in, okay? So, before I take this one out, this is just a basic gold one, but look, this one has bling on it. I like blingy bling. I like shiny things. I don't know if y'all can see it that good. Dang. Can y'all see that? It is blingy. It is shiny. I like blingy things. I like shiny things, okay? It has bling on it. I have no idea if y'all can see, but let me put it in. Maybe y'all can see it better. So when I take my ring out, I have to thread this through a bobby pin, because otherwise I'm not going to be able to take it out. So I thread 2 of them in here. Ooh, okay, so we about to pull. See, this opened it up so I could take this one out. Can you see? It's about to come out. So I got my other one out. That one's just the plain one. So now we about to put the bling bling one in. Bling bling. Okay. I got my little mirror. Okay, and it's going in really nice. This is the 9 gauge. Okay. I'm just trying to make sure I hear the click. And look how bomb that is. Look how bomb it is. Okay. I just love it. It looks so good. It stands out. So I went from dull to a blinged out nose ring. It is so fire. I just got to remember to take it out before I go swimming, because I swim with my hoop earring in my nose. My hoop nose ring in. But I'm not about to be swimming with this one and make it, I don't know what would happen to it, but it's hella fire. Okay. That's bomb. And this is the 9 gauge, because I got the 9 gauge because my nose ring is up higher up on my nose, and I got a lot of nose meat. Okay, a lot of nose meat. But right off top is hella cute. And even with it being a 9 gauge, it is hella snug on my nose. Like, not too much loop showing, and it's not too tight. One time I ordered a nose ring that was too small, and oh my god, that didn't agree with me. So this is the 9mm, size 9mm, 9 gauge. I guess that's how you would call it. But it's super, super cute, y'all. And I got it off TikTok shop. I love it. I love my new nose ring. I like trying new things, shiny, and I like shiny things, okay? They gotta be shiny and they gotta be popping. Gotta be going bling, 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 bling. That's what I really like, okay? So I hope y'all like this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. I might be trying some more nose rings, okay? Get y'all one. And I like how, even though I'm not up close on the camera, I can still see it. Like, you know, I got a nose ring up in my nose. It's hella, hella cute. Yeah.